In the heart of medieval England, during the tumultuous reign of King Edward IV, a woman of noble birth would rise to challenge the patriarchal norms of the time. Her name was Elizabeth Woodville, a woman whose destiny would be forever intertwined with the throne. Born into a family of minor nobility, Elizabeth Woodville was a beauty of unparalleled grace and charm. Caught in the twists and turns of royal politics, she found herself in the service of the Lancastrian queen, Margaret of Anjou, during the Wars of the Roses. When Edward IV seized the throne from the Lancastrians, Elizabeth's life changed dramatically. Captured by the victorious Yorkists, she was taken to the court, where she would later become the queen. Edward IV, smitten by Elizabeth's beauty and intelligence, married her in secret. This secret marriage, however, would cause a stir among the nobility, who saw it as a threat to the established order. But Elizabeth, clever and resourceful, used her influence to secure her family's position and that of her children. Queen Elizabeth Woodville was a force to be reckoned with. She was not content to simply play the role of a passive queen. Instead, she became a political powerhouse, using her influence to shape the course of English history. Her most significant achievement was her role in the king's decision to marry his brother, George, Duke of Clarence, to her sister, Isabel. This union, however, would prove to be a fatal mistake. Clarence's jealousy and ambition would lead to his downfall, and he was ultimately executed for treason. Despite this, Elizabeth continued to wield influence. She was a patron of learning, supporting scholars and artists, and was a devout Catholic, using her faith to guide her actions. However, her influence would ultimately lead to her downfall. When Edward IV died, her sons, Edward V and Richard of Shrewsbury, were declared heirs to the throne. But they were soon removed from the succession by Richard III, Edward IV's brother, who claimed the throne for himself. Elizabeth, devastated, fled the court, her sons locked away in the Tower of London. She would spend the rest of her days in seclusion, a shadow of her former self. Her story serves as a reminder of the power of Queen's Consort, and the challenges they faced in a world dominated by men. Elizabeth Woodville's influence, while often controversial, cannot be denied. Her story is a testament to the strength, cunning, and resilience of women in a time when their power was often underestimated. Thus, the story of Queen Elizabeth Woodville stands as a beacon of female power in a time when women were often relegated to the background. Her influence, while sometimes shrouded in controversy, cannot be denied. She was a woman who, despite the odds, managed to carve out a place for herself in the annals of English history.